Hello everyone, Alex here from the X-Pro, and today we're gonna talk about headphones, but not regular headphones. We're gonna show you the project that we did recently, and we will share as much as we can, but the main thing is you understand how this is created and what's the process behind it. So let's jump into it. Here on the screen, you can see a housing, or we call it a case, right? It's mixture of plastic and silicone. These small compartments are basically compartments that hold the batteries and electronic boards. Here we have exploded 3D model that you can see the components outside the housing. All this, the whole housing, it's going to be an injection molding process with a mixture of plastic and rubber, silicone, and everything else is just electrical. We do handle both parts of the project. Mechanical and electrical are always going in the same time because whoever is making from our team the case, the enclosure, it needs to fit all the electrical components that will go inside, because without these components the device will not have any purpose. Everything is done in the SolidWorks, as you can see, and we're currently in the prototyping stage of this product. Here on the screen you can also see the final product rendering. Is going to look very sleek, so you cannot really see a difference between the materials because everything will be white and same color code, but from here all the way around is going to be a silicone from inside the head, and here on the side there's going to be a plastic. It's a basically mixture of plastic and silicone, but we need to have very strong enclosure because we don't want components to be damaged. If you want to learn more about products that we create so you will understand better what's happening behind the scene, please stay tuned. Thank you.